अस्सलाम वालेकुम नाज़रीन, अपन चेकआउट करने वाला है होटल से ज़बोंगा के लिए। चलें सफ़र शुरू करते हैं। हेलो सर, गुड मॉर्निंग। ये चेकआउट। ओके, थैंक यू। हेलो सर, तो उन्होंने बैठने का कहा है। काफ़ी अच्छा होटल था, विल्सन सूट होटल, मुझे तो काफ़ी अच्छा लगा। और एक्साइटेड टू गो दबाओ ना। रियली ऑसम। नो, good morning Hannah, are you checking out?
Yeah.
So we are going from Zamboanga to Davao. So it's early morning, our flight is 9:35 a.m. It's already 5:35 a.m. But we want the window seat, that's why we are leaving early. It's quite dark here, you know. Hannah, I bought the coffee from here. No. Hannah, wait.
Oh, I don't have that. Oh, that one.
Yeah. Assalamualaikum.
Kakak.
Want coffee? You want something?
Here's coffee.
You want some water? What do you want, Hannah? Candy no need. Candy no need.
I need them.
Okay, you need it. Okay. Don't buy this one. Buy the Mentos is okay. Buy 2 more Mentos. Okay, that's enough. One more. Tell her 4 candies. 4 candies.
Like
Okay.
bread.
It's okay. For daughter. Bye bye. Let's go.
Thank you. Thank you.
Bye. Bye bye. For your daughter. Yeah. Bye bye. Let's go. Welcome. Salamat. So we should take the taxi, right? Welcome. Bye bye. Masa salama. We should take the taxi, right? Airport. Okay, airport how much? Airport. Yeah. How much? 160. तो बस अभी हम एयरपोर्ट के लिए रवाना हो गए हैं। So Hannah, we can have coffee at airport. So अभी हम एकदम एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं। इस वक्त आप देख सकते हैं 5:30 हो गए हैं। ये इवन डेटा फिनिश फजर पड़े यार, ऑलरेडी फिनिश। So finally we are going to the airport. This is the early morning. So हमने चेक इन कर लिया, हमें बोर्डिंग पास मिल चुका है। काफ़ी ज़्यादा यहाँ पे शोर है। So finally we check in, right, Hannah? So मैं आपको एयरपोर्ट दिखा दूँ थोड़ा सा। ये यहाँ का एयरपोर्ट है। ये हन्ना बैठी हुई है। हमने चेक इन कर लिया है। ज़बोंगा का एयरपोर्ट ऐसा है अंदर से। Finally, your check-in already. We got the boarding pass, and are you ready to go inside? So let me show you the Zamboanga airport. This is the Zamboanga airport. So shall we go now? Now finally we are at the boarding gate, right? Gate 5. So do you want to eat something? Tell me.
I'm fine.
Okay, go and buy something. So what is here?
Recording the attention of Philippine passengers on flight PR 2950 bound for Manila to Mr. John Roderick Sanson, to Mr. John Roderick Sanson, to Mr. Carl Gerald C, to Mr.
How much total?
Ice coffee.
And hot choco.
Good morning. For your information, the passengers are currently on PR 2950 to Manila. Our flight will
आप देख सकते हैं मैं यहाँ पे स्यू मैं ले रहा हूँ हलाल है ये वाले और चॉकलेट और आइस कॉफ़ी ले रहा हूँ ये सारे जम्बोंगा जा रहे हैं सॉरी दवाओ जा रहे हैं जम्बोंगा से So right now just buying something. These all people are going to this one okay and this one not okay. Do you have then give me hot tea? Which one? Tea, hot tea.
Hot tea.
Inside have milk.
We don't have.
Oh, okay. Okay, then just give me hot chocolate and one soft drink. And one hot choco. Total how much?
Hot chocolate?
Yeah, hot choco.
$190.
190. Okay. How much? 190.
190.
190. 65.
80 plus 30
Yeah. No.
plus
Can you give me 3 more CMI? 3 more.
3.
Yeah.
I put some.
Yeah, here it's okay. I have 30 or not 50. I give you 30, okay?
Okay. Can I give you 300?
Okay. Here 30.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Wait for a while, sir, ha?
Yeah, take your time, sir.
This one, sir.
Sorry. Anna, what are you eating? You can see my. Tell me the taste. Eat and tell me. Give me one toothpick. One toothpick is mine. You want some more? You can take from here. You like it? So make sure to subscribe. You don't wanna say Allah Hafiz? अपुन ने चेक इन कर लिया है. अपुन अब वेट कर रहा है अपने बोर्डिंग पास का, मतलब अपने फ़्लाइट का. और देख सकते हैं वो खाना बैठा हुआ मेरे पीछे. काफ़ी क्या कहते हैं अच्छा एयरपोर्ट है. मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ. काफ़ी अच्छा एयरपोर्ट है, आप देख सकते हैं.